How you doing? Straight from the cooker. Today we're going to be making a chickpea and coconut curry. Absolutely wonderful. Not that many ingredients. Really easy to make. Super tasty. Vegetarian, healthy and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here then. So I've got 2 cans of cooked chickpeas. Now if you're going to use from a can, give them a nice wash in some cold water. Here I've got 1 can of coconut milk, 1 onion, some bell peppers. I've got a bit of red and a bit of green in there, sort of equal parts to the onion, some fresh chili, up to you how you put it in. I'm putting mine in whole and how much, of course. And in there we've got some dried garam masala. So I've got 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, some dried chili, and a few, maybe sort of 4 or 5 green cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, and here I've got equal amounts, like a teaspoon each, of chili, coriander and turmeric. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add a little bit of salt. That's about it. Let's go to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a pot or a pan. I've got my favourite wok that I'm using at the moment. I've got some sunflower oil in there which I'm heating up, and we're going to drop in our whole seeds. So let's take a look at those. So cardamom pods, cumin seeds and some dried chilies. Just want a few seconds for those to kind of just do their thing in the oil. They'll infuse the oil. Don't skip this process. It's really quite important. Just give it a few seconds to do its thing in there. Okay. And as they just start to infuse the oil, we'll now add the onion. And as you can hear, we're on a fairly high heat. Let's go for about 3 minutes. Okay, so these onions are just starting to change colour, and we've got those lovely spices doing their thing there. We're now going to add in our 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger, and our bell peppers. They're going to give a lovely colour to this. Okay, 2 more minutes, staying on this high heat. I'm loving this already, really loving this. Okay, now let's add our cooked chickpeas. To that we can add our fresh chili. Like I said, I'm putting mine in whole. You can chop it if you want. Let's add some salt into the mix. And let's get our powders in. Let's just take one more look at those. So I've got equal parts here, 1 teaspoon each, turmeric, chili and coriander powder. If you wanted to be using some cumin powder in this as well, but we've used the cumin seeds and I think that's a nice little mix. About 3 or 4 minutes. Again, stay on this high heat and keep this moving now. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, time now to add our coconut milk. We're going to get the heat down to fairly low now. We're going to let this go for about 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. We're very nearly done. Okay, and off goes the heat. That is looking really good. Check that for salt. It's going to be good for me. I'm going to add a little bit of garam masala powder, just a nice little pinch there, which is a nice finishing spice. In goes some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Give that a mix and you're done. That really is good. Very simple, healthy, veggie and vegan. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. We will see you soon. Lots of love.